Hello, this is Matteo, Chief Mobile Opinionist at techtravelgeeks.com. Today we are going to unbox a pair of Huawei Sport Bluetooth headphones. This is a set of headphones that I've had for about a year. I believe these came included with a Huawei device I purchased for personal use, and I never got round to unboxing them or using them. Now that I'm getting myself slimmed down and beach body ready, I thought I'd do a bit of running, and so these are the perfect device to listen to podcasts, music, maybe even the Tech Travel Geeks podcast whilst running. So let's unbox them and see what's inside, get some first impressions, and you'll be able to read the full review of these in a few weeks' time on techtravelgeeks.com. So on the front you can see Huawei Sport Bluetooth headphones with a Huawei logo, a picture of what we should be finding on the inside of the box, and the Bluetooth logo. If you look closely at the front, you'll also see there's aptX. The aptX engine is a way of optimizing audio. It has a battery, and it looks as if it goes in your ear. I wouldn't expect anything less of a set of Bluetooth headphones. And on the side, it will tell you that these Huawei Sport Bluetooth headphones can be used with laptops, tablets, smartphones, and what looks like a watch. Think of the Huawei watch. On the back, there's a few extra details. This model is AM60. There's a comfortable to wear aptX premium media playback over Bluetooth all-day play. And a few more details at the bottom. Essentially, this is a set of Bluetooth 4.1 headphones with a battery life of approximately 6 hours, and it charges via micro USB. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's a bit outdated, especially in 2018. But let's not forget, I did get these headphones in 2017, where it was more of an acceptable thing. The packaging is, as you can see, colourful. It's a bit discoloured at the top because I haven't actually taken these out of the box for a while. And we'll see what's inside. Some very nice information here. There's a packing list with the headphones, multiple sizes of earplugs, a storage bag, which is very handy, and a USB charging cable. They have magnetic Hall effect features, which allow you to answer an incoming call by separating the earpieces, and you can end a call by putting the two pieces together, or attracting them, as they say. Very interesting. And you can also pause media playback by attracting these earpieces. Then, under transparent plastic, we find the earphones themselves. These have never been opened, so I'd better take the plastic off. There's a seal here. Yep. Unlike other professional unboxers, I do not have a knife. I'm actually away from home at the moment, so putting that in my luggage is unlikely to be allowed, especially for hand luggage. So here we have it, the headphones with controls for volume, and they're nicely wrapped here with a nice set of buds already in place. So let's have a look at these first. So this is the headbuds, or the earbuds, with the sport harness for staying wedged in your ear. And that's it, because there is no 3.5mm audio jack on these. These are Bluetooth headphones that don't need to be plugged into your smart device, whether it's a smartphone, smartwatch, laptop, tablet, or whatever other device. Nice metal finish with a bit of a radiant effect on them, as you can see in the reflection here in the light. I'll try these on and see how they are and see what else is in the box. So, as described, there's a nice handy carry pouch. There we go. And inside the carry pouch there is the USB-A to micro USB cable. And in the box we also have another smaller box which contains an instruction manual or a user guide, a warranty card which is more of a booklet than a card, and some beautiful sponge which has some embedded spare earbuds. Now obviously we can't review audio quality or any of those things on our video review. I'll give you my full impressions and full review of these Huawei Bluetooth sports earphones. This particular model is the AM60 Huawei Sport Bluetooth headphones. I will be reviewing these for techtravelgeeks.com in the coming weeks. My main focus on these will be to use them whilst running. So let us know what you think so far from the unboxing. My personal opinion is that Huawei have done a very nice premium packaging job here. It definitely gives you a very good first impression of what the quality of these headphones is, but as we know, presentation and actually delivering quality sound are two very different things. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You can download and subscribe to our podcast, the Tech Travel Geeks podcast, in wonderful places like iTunes, Pocket Casts, TuneIn Radio, and anywhere else you get quality podcasts. So thanks for watching, everyone. This was the unboxing of the Huawei Sport Bluetooth headphones, model number AM60. We hope you've enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.